Looking for the best boat care kits? In this video we look at some of the top 3 boat care kits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, IMAR, Captain's Bucket number 507. Pros: includes sponges. 8 products inside a 2-gallon bucket. Vinyl and rubber protection. Concentrated cleaning product. Strata glass protective product keeps your clear vinyl shining and clear. Easy to use. Cons: this product is generally more expensive than others on the market. Bottom line: 2-gallon bucket filled with a variety of top-notch cleaners to keep every surface on your boat in good condition. At number 2, Boat Juice Cleaner Bundle Pack. Pros: includes a UV protector for your vinyl seats. Nice smell. Leaves the boat clean. Easy to use. 2 bottles clean both surfaces nicely. Exterior spray includes a wax. Works on glass and chrome. Interior spray also works on carpets. Cons: these 18-ounce bottles do not provide much product for the cost. Bottom line: compact cleaning kit that includes an interior and exterior cleaner and towels. At number 1, Babes Boatcare Bucket of Babes. Pros: great products that work well and help you keep your boat looking brand new. Handy bucket that fits well in the boat. Designed to help you keep both inside and outside of your boat spotless. Environmentally friendly products. Cons: each of these products comes in small quantities. There are 8 different products that come in this kit. Bottom line: 8 comprehensive products in this boat care system will help you take care of every area of your boat. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.